Hello again, I'm Malachi with Lonely, and today we're here to talk about hiring in the lawn care business. If you have a lawn care business, you know that hiring is probably the most tedious part. You can buy a new lawnmower, you can buy a new weed eater, but it's kind of hard to come across employees the same way. Some studies report that the lawn care industry has a staggering 36% turnover rate. That's unreal compared to most other professions. But luckily for you, if you have this problem when you're watching this video, Lonely has a solution. Lonely lets you post your jobs on our site, and then you can subcontract through the platform to get it done for you. You can skip all the hiring mumbo jumbo and find skilled labor on our platform. And if you want to learn more about how we can help you, head to blog.lonely.com or just download our app in the App Store for free. See you later.